Hi guys, welcome to my channel. It's Amy. Today we're doing a video on this dress because it's about the time when I shoot videos and I put my ideas out there for you guys to borrow and to look nice, if you buy them, that is, and if you love them. So today we're talking about this dress. It's actually a sack dress that I showing you guys how to transform into this amazing, I don't know what to call it. Is it cinched up dress or what? So we're gonna be doing this in 3 different ways. This is the first way. You just use the procedure I'm going to show you just now, after I get done explaining, to do. We're gonna use the same procedure I am telling you now, but at different points of the dress, yeah, if that makes sense. But you guys will see it in a few minutes, and this is a very short video. So this one I just did that procedure but slightly above my waistline. Like my waistline is like somewhere here, so I did it slightly above my waistline and almost close to my cleavage. Yeah, right there. So you're gonna just watch and see what I did, how I transformed it into this. Yeah, you can also do something to your slit at the back. You can, I don't know, be creative. I am still thinking of what to do with my slit, but if it's a stretchy material dress, your most sack dresses don't come with slits, so that's gonna be a plus for you. And if it does come with a slit, you can just reduce the length of the slit a bit, so it gives you this shape right here at your legs, yeah, the end of the dress. So stay tuned and watch the video, and please you guys remember to do me a favor of subscribing and sharing my video and my links, and also drop your ideas down in the comment section. There's a lot of noise, I hope you guys can hear me. Drop the ideas or what you want me to do in the comment section so that we can go on with this. Remember to style it to suit you, and have a good weekend because this video is gonna drop on Friday. So yeah, bye guys, love you, thanks for the support. I'm grateful we have gotten to 100 subscribers, and I am so happy that we're growing. I promise every week for the longest time we're gonna be having new videos. And yeah, stay tuned. If you haven't subscribed, please just subscribe right now before you keep watching this video. I almost said movie. So let's go down to the video. Let me show you the how about this dress. So what you're gonna do, we're gonna need is the dress and this is a rubber band. We're gonna need the two things to change this whole look. So I'm gonna stand and show you guys what we're gonna need. What we need to do. So you're simply going to wear your dress, or know where your waistline is, or where you want to cinch it at, because this is what you're doing. We're cinching the dress to give it some shape, and to also give us some shape we need to look put together. So yeah, what you're gonna do is just fold it upward like this and find the place you want at your waist. Then you just hold it, you just pinch it like that. You can put it on the side, you can put it in the middle. I'm gonna start with the middle, and then you just tie it like that with your rubber band as tight as possible, so that it doesn't keep moving during the day. And voila, we have a waistline. As you can see, we have a waistline, we have a totally different look for our dress. So you may want to have something done on your slit in case it's not a slit dress or whatever. It looks different for different dresses. Mine has a slit, and that's why it kind of has a slight bulge at the front. So in case if the slit was pulled together or made slight, this is how it would look. But I still feel like this looks nice and easy for a relaxed day, and you can adjust it to fit whatever you want. Yeah, and that is it. We have a cinched dress. We have a dress that shows that gives you a waistline, that gives you a whole new look, and it is from a sack dress. So let's make this less boring. Let's make our outfits less boring. Let's do stuff with them to ensure we have good stuff going. So I'm gonna try and cinch it on the side so you guys can see how it looks like. I personally like the middle one though. So you're just gonna pull that out and look for the side, whichever side you want. You just do your thing, however far you want it to be. Just do your thing. Remember to make it your own so that you achieve whatever you want to achieve. Okay, so now after pinching it, we will do that same thing we did. It's just a two-step guide to changing your whole look. So from the side we see it equally looks good, right? And make sure you don't get too much material so that it doesn't bulge, but that doesn't matter because I mean we want, like, that's gonna hide in the design, yeah, if you know what I mean. So we have our dress. Thank you guys for watching. Bye. Subscribe. Wait for another video next week. So come and let's talk. Baby, come and let's talk.